Welcome to Brahma Ganita. On January 19, 2021, on our Facebook and Instagram pages, we posted a question. The question is like this: ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. PQRS and T are the midpoints of the respective sides. Find the ratio of the areas of figures PQXY and ABCDEF. PQXY is the common area between the triangle and the rectangle, and ABCDEF is the hexagon. Well, this question is going to take a lot of time, and if we use all the fancy geometry and trigonometry over here, but the challenge is to solve this question without using any kind of mathematical formulae. Let us identify the area PQXY first of all with this yellow shade. Now this area is of course the intersection of the rectangle PQRS and the triangle PQT. Let us take the hexagon in solitude, and we can see that the midpoint between A and B is missing. We can mark it as U. Then start the real magical technique to solve this question. In between the north-south directions, we can divide the hexagon in two equal halves by joining F and C. Let's draw two parallel lines to FC by joining SR and PQ. In the similar fashion, along the directions northwest and southeast, let us join AD. And then two parallel lines to AD at PT and UR. Absorb this information for a while, and now guess what should be done? Yes, along the directions northwest and southeast, let us join the lines BE and draw two parallel lines at QT and SU. Now the entire figure has divided into small equilateral triangles, and all these triangles are identical. We can compare this figure with the original figure in the question and mark the common area by some smileys as shown. Now if we count the number of smileys, they are 8 in number, and in total there are 24 such equilateral identical triangles. The question asked about the ratio of the common area to the entire hexagon. So our answer has to be 8 divided by 24. That is 1:3. This solution was presented to you by Brahma Ganita, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.